Hello everyone, today I want to report my first accident with a Cybertruck door, okay? This is what I had on the door, which I bought from online. It was meant to avoid fingerprints on the door, all right? And you grab this and you close the door like that, okay? So today, I've been doing a million times before, no problem. But today I was distracted with a serious other stuff. I was distracted, and by accident I closed the door and my hand was still here, all right? My finger was still here and the door came fully closed. It caught my finger right in there, fully closed, okay? And this is what happened to my fingers. Imagine that, this tiny little gap, and thank you for the door gap and this door edge plus the PVC door edge saved my finger. Without it, I guarantee you the sharp edge of the door would cut my finger in half. Guarantee. Imagine that. Imagine this finger gets stuck right there and the door closed fully, completely, and my finger gets stuck right in there. All right, it was between this soft PVC on my fingernail and then the sharp edge. This sharp edge here will be on my the skin part of the finger, of the fingertip. All right, it was much worse than this when it first happened. I wash it, I clean it, I'm about to band-aid it, but I want to record the video before I do it. So there you go. The door edge, which I applied earlier, really saved my finger, really, because this sharp edge will definitely cut through the fingernail. Okay, so this is a warning. I'm not going to use this anymore because I cannot risk it. Like I say, you can be distracted, and then before you know it, you get caught. Yes, this tiny little edge right here, I cannot believe it. And these fingers were in there when it happened. Don't let that happen to you.